Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Today let's see how I made this beautiful silver color gifting box. These are the things required to make a decorative gifting box. To start with, you need to prepare the POP paste with POP water and glue. For the project, you need glue, spray acrylic paint, old cardboard box, jute yarn, brush, scissors, and not to forget the lace of an old plastic table cover. You can refer to my earlier videos about how to make the POP paste. Make sure to make the paste in such a manner that it's not very smooth and has few lumps in it. Cover the outer side of the box with the POP paste, excluding the base of course. Once the box is coated, leave it to dry for an hour or so. After the box has dried completely, now is the time to decorate it. I'll be using the lace of an old transparent plastic table cover to decorate my box. This is a concept of best out of waste from my side, and I think it will give amazing results. Let's wait and see. I'm fixing the plastic lace using white glue. Now I'm putting up some jute yarn for the decoration to make my gifting box beautiful. Now pasting the plastic lace to the sides of the box, all around it. After applying the glue to the box, I am applying some to the lace too, so that it holds on well. You need to hold the lace for a while so that it sticks firmly. Some jute yarn here too. Friends, this gifting box that I am preparing is in continuation with series of decorative gifting box which I have already posted. The previous 3 series were also best out of waste products, resulting into beautiful decorative gifting boxes. Now I am adding few jewelry pieces to the box, an anklet and a pair of earrings. You must be wondering, what am I doing? Well, you need to wait and see how it ends up after the box is finally made. Last but not the least, pasting a few half-cut beads to the box. Once all the pasting is done, now is the time to paint the box. I am using silver acrylic spray paint to paint the box. Just see how all the things that we have pasted to our decorative box is giving it such a fine texture and look. Oh my, it's turning out to be an elegant gifting box, isn't it? After painting the box, you need to let it dry for 4 to 5 hours. Now we need to work on the inner side of the box. We'll be pasting velvet paper on the inner side to give it a decent finish. To give it a little firmness, I am using a combination of chart paper and velvet paper. Just see how to go about it. This flap I'll be using for the inner front side. Rest is going to be one long strip. Now the base and the sides of the box. See how beautiful it has come out to be with all the things that we had pasted on it. A magnificent gifting box. How did you like the video, friends? Your comments and suggestions are eagerly awaited. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and hit the bell for notifications. Do remember to share and subscribe my channel Shimmery and Glittery. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and Twitter by the name Shimmery and Glittery. Gifting made beautiful with Shimmery and Glittery. Thank you.